Hi everyone, it's Kirsten. I apologize for this being late. I had a horrible oversight on the due date, but here is my late submission. This is my audience, Axel, and he will be giving you the three questions.
Hi, my name's Axel, and my three questions for my wife. First one is, what is your or who is your favorite author? Second one, who is your favorite composer or musician? And the third one is, who is your favorite artist?
Thank you. Um, Give me a moment here. I think I will choose my favorite artist. My favorite artist would have to be Vincent van Gogh. He is my favorite artist because of multiple different reasons. I believe that he was an incredible painter and he influenced the entire art style with his technique. It really embodies what it is to use texture in painting, and it also includes how much of yourself you put into a piece. The second reason that I would choose Vincent van Gogh was because of his personal history with mental illness and how much of a struggle he had in his life. I believe that for a painter that created so many beautiful masterpieces that had so many colorful topics like sunflowers or beautiful images like Starry Night, that often we don't see that, but that artists really put a lot of love and effort into their artwork because it's lacking in their own life. The passion that they have, they funnel into that. And Vincent van Gogh was an amazing artist that really included that. The third reason that I would choose Vincent van Gogh is generally just the beauty of his work. I absolutely love so many of his pictures, and he was such a prolific painter that there are so many to choose from. So for me, there's really multiple reasons, but the fact that he impacted art with the style and technique, the emotion and his personal history, as well as the overall finished images are all reasons why Vincent van Gogh would be my favorite artist. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.